This man did not have the courage to break its legs. When there was still life in this body, he hoped by removing the eggs from inside it. Then an idea came to his mind to mix this egg with the eggs of his own hens. And this method works slowly day by day. When they were trying to survive, it was discovered that a baby was forming inside the egg.
I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain, and now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. Let my guard down.
Can you wash my bird for me?